Do that. Lindsay, Darcy, Julie, Missy, Linda. Back to Lisa.
Ciao amici, come sta? Mi chiamo Elisa. So, you're probably wondering, what was that she just said, and what language is she speaking? What I said was, hello friends, how are you, and my name is Lisa. I'm here to talk to you about something that I'm very passionate about, and that is my family heritage. My great-grandfather was born in Italy several years ago, and in 1939, in an effort to escape being drafted into World War II, he left Italy and migrated to Canada. He left behind 2 children, my grandmother and her younger brother. They were raised by his sister, and in 1949, he sent for them. He had actually gone to Canada and established himself as a barber and as a carpenter and built a house. So, in 1949, my grandmother and her husband embarked on a journey across the Atlantic Ocean with 4 children, ranging in ages from 2 to 7. That 2-year-old was my mother, and she actually celebrated her 2nd birthday on the Atlantic Ocean with the captain of that ship. Their original journey was supposed to take place on a ocean liner, but the ocean liners were on strike during that time, so they actually had to take a Polish freighter called the Sobieska from Genoa and travel across the ocean on that. They arrived in Halifax with all of their home goods and all of their clothing, and from Halifax to Windsor, Ontario, they traveled by train. When I asked my mother, why didn't you guys just fly, she said, Lisa, we had to take whatever furnishings we possibly could, and that was going to only be possible by boat. Imagine speaking only Italian, not having any English, not having any education, as my grandmother only went to the 5th grade. How could that be anything but terrifying to embark on this new journey? But they did it, and I am so blessed that she was able to share this story with me. I am so intrigued by where people come from and how they live their lives and how they get to the places that they get to, that I have gone on to go to Ancestry.com so that I can research my family history and know where I come from on both sides of my family. My dad is originally born and raised in Canada, and his family actually came from England. My mom speaks Italian to this day. She's the only one of those 4 children that continued to carry on the language. Unfortunately, she didn't pass that on to us, but my grandmother tried in an effort to speak Italian to us, but also try and learn the English language. She's 92 years old today, and she's the matriarch of our family, being the oldest living person that ever lived in her family. She is actually the butt of many jokes because, although we love her very much, her English to this day is still very broken, and half of her words are Italian and half of it is English. She is so cute, and I love her so much. And her passion about where she is from, the fact that she has brought her Italian culture with her, has always kept me intrigued. I think it's so important for people to know where they come from, and I think it starts right now with us. So with my children, I tell the stories of my family and where we come from, and just like the Old Testament and the Bible, that is how the stories move on from generation to generation. It's by storytelling, it's by learning where you come from, and it's by knowing who we are. And I hope that you have enjoyed this, and I hope that it has intrigued you to find out who you are and where you come from. Thank you. Oh my God.